Hey guys, so here I have problem 79, which I didn't get to go over with 5th period today. I decided to make a film, because you asked me to. So anyway, here's 79. A pool player located at point X, which is right here, wants to shoot the white ball off the top cushion. So here's the top cushion. And hit the red ball dead center. The pool player knows from physics that the white ball will come off a cushion at the same angle as it hits a cushion. Where on the top cushion should he hit the white ball? So in this problem, we're going to look for right triangles, as we often do. And we see a triangle right here. And we know it's a right triangle because horizontal is perpendicular to vertical. And then we see another right triangle right here. Also right. And we know that these right triangles ought to be similar triangles because this angle is congruent, which means that I know by angle-angle similarity postulate that these are similar right triangles. So I'm going to call this triangle, just for ease, triangle A, B, C, and then we'll make this point D and point E. And we're going to say, okay, one thing that we know in this problem is that triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC. Or at least they ought to be similar in order to get the answer. Okay. So now we know how long one side is. We know that this side is 3. And we know how long another side is. We know that this side is 1.8. But we want to know how long should the ratios be. Where along the top should the pool player hit the ball? So that's our question. So I'm going to make that an x. Actually, I think it's easier if I make this an x. That's how the book did it. So if that's x, and I know that this entire distance is 5 feet, then that makes this 5 minus x. And now we can use our similar triangles to set up the problem. We can say, alright, the ratio of x to 3 needs to be equal to 5 minus x to 1.8. So far, so good. Now I can solve for x. I'm going to say 1.8x equals 3 times 5 minus x, which means, let's see, I can divide both sides by 3. And now I get 0.6x equals 5 minus x. I'm going to add x to both sides. And starting back over here, I now have 1.6x equals 5. Divide by 1.6. And I get x equals 5 divided by 1.6. Which is 3.125. Okay, so coming back to my problem, we can now say that this ratio, x equals 3.125, and that makes the other side 1.875. Yeah. Cool. So the ratio of 3.125 to 3 is equal to the ratio 1.875 to 1.8. And I think that the end in the problem, it says where on the top cushion should he hit the white ball, and I think they write that answer as he should hit the top cushion this total from the edge. And so since I have 1 foot right here, the total distance from the left edge should be 1 foot plus our 3.125 feet, which is a total of 4.125 feet from left side. And I think that is our final answer. 4 1/8 feet. Excellent. So that's problem 79.